This is why I can't film again. Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I have a huge, and I do mean huge, Dollar Tree haul. It is all Christmas items except for two. My Dollar Trees were putting out several Christmas items and I was lucky enough to be there while they were stocking the shelves, so I grabbed all the things that I wanted right away. And I was really excited because a couple of the things I do believe I haven't seen anyone haul yet, so I may have some new items for you guys. But first, I am going to show you a non-Christmas item, which are these. I finally ended up getting these cotton stems that Dollar Tree put out, I do want to say in July, and our stores never ever got them in. And I mean, they still don't have them in. My sister Chrissy picked these up for me at a Dollar Tree that's about 45 minutes from her house, and I live about 40 minutes from her. So I ended up getting these from a store that would be like an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half for me. But I am really happy I ended up getting them finally. I wanted to do a fall project with them. I'm probably not going to do that project because I replaced it with a different project already. But she picked up 10 stems of these in Ann Arbor, Michigan. So if you're in that area and you're looking for those, maybe they'll still have them. Sorry about the noise, but I just put them on the floor. Also, the other item that I picked up was this 2-pack of the wire wreaths, and they are the mini ones. I absolutely love these. I am going to be doing a project if I can find the other pieces at the Dollar Tree with this Dollar Tree DIY for you guys for the Christmas season. So then now let's move on to all the Christmas things that I found. If you're familiar with my channel, Dollar Tree in my area never has anything. So I ended up getting all this stuff from two Dollar Trees, the one in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan, and the one in Auburn Hills, Michigan. I always go to the Bloomfield Hills, Michigan one. It's really close to where I live, and they had a ton of things out, and I found a few other ones at the Auburn Hills store, just in case you live in the area, because Dollar Tree, I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know why you don't like Michigan, but please keep sending us all the good stuff. So the very first thing I picked up, and I'm going to do the ones that make noise first, is this a little ornament. It is a angel, and it has a bell in the bottom, and it says joy on it. They had these that said joy and said hope, and I think that's the only two that they had. If they have another word on them, please comment down below and let me know if you know. But I only picked up the one that said joy because I really didn't need two angels with a bell. I think it's really cute though, and I may hang it in my kitchen. Then I picked up these. These are some ornaments that you can put a picture inside the face of them. I picked up a Santa Claus. And then I picked up a penguin with a like Santa or elf like hat on, carrying a candy cane and has a little bell. And I picked up a little gingerbread man that has a little bell. And I thought these were really, really cute. I picked them up for my grandkids. So I'm going to be giving them to them so they can put them on the tree or wherever they want to hang them. I think it'd be fun so they can put their picture in there. You could also draw a picture of someone's face and put it in there. That would be cute too. So I have those, and I think that's all the jingly sounding things that I have. I also picked up two of these little church steeples. I picked up this one in white. I picked this up last year also and the year before because I used them in DIYs, and one of the DIYs I gave away, so I wanted to get another white one because I wasn't sure if I still needed it for one of the DIYs that I do at my house every year. And then I picked up this one, and I think the color is like a platinum color. It's not really silver, but they also have it in bright gold. But I thought this color was really pretty, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I have a little bit of an idea, and we'll see if it works out. So I picked up two of those. Then I ended up finding the little car with the tree on it and the Merry Christmas sign ornament. I saw someone haul this and I thought it was super duper cute. I'm not even sure I'm going to leave the Merry Christmas sign on the bottom of it because I do believe I'm going to use this for DIY too. And so I I'm probably going to take it off, and then I'll have 2 pieces to use for 2 different things, but I thought that was really cute. The red truck thing is still in, undoubtedly. Then I saw a couple of people haul the little owls that they have. Sorry, I got everything piled up over here now. So I picked up 2 of them. I think there's a 3rd one. I picked up this really tall kind of one that has like a twine back to it, and then it's got like lamb's wool on the front. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with these, but they were just too cute to pass up. And then I picked up the one that has the buffalo check on the front, and he has lamb's wool on the back, and he's like the squatty one. I really liked him the most, and I was actually trying to get 2 of these, but he was the only one that was left. He had actually fallen, and so I ended up getting him off the bottom rack, and then they had a ton of these, and I think the other one probably up a little high. So I picked up 2 of those. Then I picked up only 1 of these, and I have to go back and get another one. It's still in the plastic. Sorry about the noise. Let me just take it out so you can actually see it better. It is the little snowman hat in black. I wanted 2 of these because I know I am going to be doing a project with my girlfriend Michelle. If you guys are familiar with my channel, I call her George. She's on my channel every Christmas season, and we do a snowman themed DIY. So I picked up 1, and I need to go find another one because I only had 1 of these left for one of the DIYs that we are going to be doing. Then I love snowmen. Obviously, if you see my channel over the years at this time of the year. So I picked up several snowman themed kind of pieces. Number 1, I picked up this ornament, and it's a little sleigh. I don't know if you guys can see it, if the lighting is good enough. It is so dreary outside today, and I apologize if my lighting is really bad. But it says Noel on the bottom of the little sleigh, and it's a glass piece snowman, so like the light would reflect through it if you had it up to something like that. They had it with a snowman with blue, also that said snow on the bottom, but I already have a piece similar like this that was blue, so I ended up getting the green. And then they had one with the Santa Claus, and the sleigh was red, and I really don't know what the wording was on the bottom. It might have said joy or something, I'm not sure, but I picked up 1 of those. Then I also picked up this snowman sleigh, and this one is so cute. I wanted to get 2 of these. They had more than 1, but I settled on just getting 1 because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with him either, but it says let it snow. I didn't pick up any of the ornaments to use on my tree. So these are all going to be incorporated somewhere in my house, either in a DIY or sitting like at my coffee station or my hot cocoa station or something like that. So I thought this one was adorable, and he is like wood finish. I'm not sure that he is wood, but he looks like he's wood planks, and I just thought, oh, adorable. Then I also picked up 1 of these little candle holders that holds a candle in the back, and I picked up the snowman one. They had a Christmas tree one and a gingerbread one and a snowflake one. And so the snowflake one said Noel on it. The other 2 I think were just plain, you know, gingerbread and Christmas tree. But I'm a snowman kind of girl, so I picked up 1 of these. I figured I could find somewhere cute to set him in my house, probably in my bathroom, my little guest bathroom. Then next, I picked up 3 rolls of ribbon. I picked up 2 of the plaid one. I love Dollar Tree ribbon, and they have stepped up their game on these. It's only 9 feet, but 9 feet will make a really, really good big bow, or you can make 2 smaller bows. And I use ribbon for all kinds of things, so I picked up 2 of these, and then I picked up 1 that has snowflakes on it. And when I saw it in the store, I was like, oh, it's really cute. It's got white snowflakes. And then I got it home and realized it has white and green snowflakes, which seems a little weird to me. But I picked up 1 of those too. I'm probably going to try to go back and get some more of these because the colors on these are just really, really pretty, and they're traditional Christmas colors, and I love that. So I think I might go back and get some more just to put in my stash. Then I was lucky enough to pick up some of the flocked picks. These are so nice. I ended up getting 3 I got 2 at one store and 1 at the other one. And I want 1 more. I need at least 1 more. If I find more than 1, I'll probably pick up a couple of more. These are gorgeous. And oh my gosh, just look. Dollar Tree seriously has stepped up their game on these. These are just like ones that you would get at Michael's or Sam's, or I bought some at Big Lots that were $5.99 like a couple years ago, and these are only $1. They're just gorgeous. So I picked up 3 of those, and I am going to be on the lookout for at least 1 more, and if I find 3 more, I'll probably get 3 more. Then I also picked up 1 of these stems that have like the snow and the icicles on it, and they're like little berry branches. I want to pick up at least 1 more of these, and maybe 3 more if I can find them, but they only had 1 with the snow crystals on it, and this was at the Auburn Hills store. I can tell you that for sure. Sorry about that, guys, but my camera decided it was going to shut off for some reason, so we only have a couple more items to go. Well, a few more, but I'm going to be quick. So the very first one is this pack of 2 square cookie boxes, and I don't know if my stores had these last year, but I didn't see them, so I picked up this 1 pack, and I think I'm going to go back and get more. I really like that they come in this plaid color print that's sort of like the ribbon that I showed you guys, and then in the window where the cookies actually go, they have a poinsettia around it, and I'm going to be giving these away with some kind of a sweet treat this season, along with the homemade Baileys that I normally make. And then the next thing I ended up picking up was these 3D puzzles. I ended up getting 2 of them, and they are like Rubik's Cubes. I could not even believe that they had these there. The lady at my store was unboxing them when I was there, and she said these are brand new. She had never seen them at our store before, so I picked up 2 of them for my grandkids. And Chad can also do a Rubik's Cube, so actually I think I'm going to give 1 to Chad in his stocking and 1 to my grandson in his stocking, because I don't think my granddaughter will ever figure this out. But for $1, that's a really cute stocking stuffer. Then next I ended up picking up 2 of the Cookies for Santa plates. First I ended up getting this one. This is the Santa Claus, as you can see, and then it's got the little sticker here that says Cookies for Santa, and I thought it was really, really cute. I'm going to give this one to my grandkids to put out their cookies for Santa. And then I picked up 1 for me, even though we're not putting out any cookies, and I'm not going to display it like that either. But this one was really, really cute, and it says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." And then on the little red truck it says "Be Merry" in cursive, and I don't know if you'll be able to see that with the glare. Sorry, my lighting is so bad today, but I thought it was really, really cute. It also has the Cookies for Santa sticker on it. Now here's the thing, in the store they had a 3rd plate that I didn't want. It was red background, and people were peeling off the stickers on those plates, and the paint was coming right off. So if you do plan on taking off the sticker, I would make sure I soak this really good in like some soapy water and stuff, and hopefully the sticker will just slide off and it won't damage the plate. I'm gonna leave it on the kids and just tell my daughter, you know, just to try to clean it and leave it on for the kids one, but for this one I'm gonna try to soak it off with a little soapy water. And then the last thing, the absolute last thing, finally we're to the end, I ended up getting is this wall plaque. I fell in love with this. If you guys know me, I am a nut for snowmen, and so I picked up this little guy because I do a lot of snowman kind of theme stuff outdoors in my Christmas decorations by my porch and stuff. So he is going to be living out on my front porch, and he says "Let it snow" on his little hat. I really like these. The Dollar Tree did a very good job. A lot of the stuff is raised, there's texture, there's glitter. It's really, really cute. So I picked up 1 of these. They did have a Santa Claus one, did I say that? That says "Ho Ho Ho" on his hat, and I didn't pick him up because I didn't need him. My store didn't have any of the plaques either that look like the wood planks and stuff, so I'm hoping they get those in, because I do want to pick up at least 1 of those for a DIY project that I have in mind. But that is it for my huge Dollar Tree haul. So let me know down below, what was the favorite thing of mine that I hauled for you guys. I have to tell you, my favorite thing of the whole haul is this little plate. I'm not normally into, whoops, it's upside down, the whole red truck thing, but I just thought this was really, really nice. And I'm going to set it up on a stand in my kitchen. I'm actually not going to use it for cookies for Santa. But that was my favorite thing next to my cotton stems that were at the beginning that I really wanted way back in the fall season. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my video. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a member. We have a lot of fun here. Hang out with us for a while. Also, hit that little notification bell up at the top so you know when I'm doing my next upload. I'm going to have quite a few videos coming at you guys that are DIYs for the Christmas season, and I still have my fall home tour and a fall table for Thanksgiving that I'll be bringing you. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.